don't tell me I wasn't recording any of that. I guess not, huh? Alright. So here, what I'm trying to do is eliminate that static noise in the background. Okay, so I'm not sure exactly what's causing it. So since I'm learning all this equipment here, it's kind of like touch this, touch that, play with this, play with that. Okay, so this is the microphone sound, what I can hear. Now what I can hear may or may not be what you guys can hear. So I'm trying to get to where, okay, I'm comfortable listening to it here, but also there's another button over here that I can go up and I can hear static. And that's what I'm trying to eliminate, the noise there. So if I bring this all the way down, bring the noise there, and take up the volume here, I can hear that noise. That's what you see, that's the kind of noise I'm trying to eliminate. So I don't know there. Now this is the volume, to my volume, to the way I'm speaking. So maybe if I increase that, and maybe I can also increase that there and there, I can hear myself talking better, but I don't know exactly what's the impact there it's going to have until I try and go back and listen up. Okay, so let's see what this does. I'm not sure, but let's try it out. Okay, alright, so I'll come back.